In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a home button or link to your Shopify main menu. This is a simple yet important task that helps enhance the navigation of your online store, making it easy for your customers to return to the home page with just a single click. Let's dive right in and go through this step-by-step process together. To start off, you'll want to open your Shopify admin panel where all the customization options for your store are neatly accessible. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical panel that serves as your navigation hub within Shopify. From this list of options, click on the one labeled Content. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your store's structure and presentation. Once you're inside the Content section, look for and select Menus. This will bring up all your current menu items. The Menus option allows you to define and control the links that populate your main menu. Menus are integral to guiding your visitors as they shop, view posts, or learn more about your offerings. After you've opened the Menus section, find and select the main menu. This is typically the primary navigation bar that appears at the top of your website, crucial for guiding shoppers through different parts of your store. Within the main menu editing screen, you'll see a list of existing menu items. You'll want to add a home button here to provide users a seamless way back to your starting point. Next, click on Add Menu Item. This button is usually prominent and designed to help you expand your menu options. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to input the specifics for this new menu item. In the space provided, type the word Home. This labels the button clearly, ensuring customers know exactly where clicking will take them. With the name set, it's time to link it appropriately to the home page. Shopify makes this easy by providing a drop-down menu that allows you to set this link. Select your store's homepage from this menu, ensuring that when someone clicks the Home button, they are taken directly there. Once you're satisfied with your new addition, click Save. This action effectively publishes the changes, integrating the new menu item into your store's structure. After your changes are saved, it's a good idea to refresh your website's front page to confirm the Home button is displaying as expected. And just like that, you're done. You've seamlessly enhanced your store's navigation with a functional and customer-friendly Home button in the main menu. Now, whenever visitors want to return to your homepage, they can do so effortlessly, improving their overall shopping experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify.